In-depth coverage of the Clifford Helm verdict continues now with KXLY4's Melissa Luck, and you spoke to one of the jurors who said this was a difficult decision.
Yeah, anytime you serve on a jury, it's difficult, but especially when you give up 3 weeks of your life to decide the fate of someone else's, and that's exactly what this jury had to do. We spoke with the foreman of the jury this afternoon. They spent 3 weeks listening to emotional testimony in this case and having to hear about the deaths of 5 young children. Now, the jurors heard from experts who said very different things and heard from the tearful parents of those kids. And even though they deliberated for just over 2 hours today, the jury foreman says nothing about this case was easy.
It was very emotional and it was very difficult. And like I said, I hope both families have peace with the decision made and are able to move forward.
And the jurors were shielded from some of the agony of this trial. The defense won a motion before the trial started that made it so that the jurors would not have to see pictures of the Schrock children after their deaths. We asked the jury foreman if there was any one piece of evidence, any one thing that swayed them one way or the other. They said no. We asked if it was evidence that was there or wasn't there that really made the difference. They said no. They worked as a team. They called it an emotional roller coaster and said even though it was a relatively quick deliberation, it was not an easy decision, but they are ready to move forward and they wish the families well.
All right, Melissa, thanks very much.